Hi, my name is Christopher Mandarino. I am studying at the University of Pittsburgh. Myself and my colleagues, Sammy, Tyler, and Alex, we're investigating simulating small satellite free flyers for coordinated operations. The idea is that what you build for one mission, you can abstract it and reuse some of those parts for another mission, and then you just kind of change what you're really doing. So in this case, we want to take our small satellite and we're applying them to investigating some other larger spacecraft. It's a lot of effort for an individual human to do, it's a lot of stress, but if you could throw out robotic systems, can you accomplish that without risking human life and reducing wear and tear on astronauts when they're out in space, and so they don't have to have these kinds of concerns.
My name is Sammy Mian, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Pittsburgh studying electrical and computer engineering. My part of the Free Flyer project is to actually work with the drone platforms themselves. I'm developing the software that allows the control flight system stack that Tyler's developing to interface with multiple drone platforms. The drones are the sensors that we're using in this project, and they are the ones that are flying around and collecting all of the data relevant for our project. So my piece of the project is allowing all of the hardware to work with everything else that our team is developing. Drones are becoming increasingly more useful in day-to-day activities. Specifically, the work we're doing here is using drones as extensions of sensors to go and detect for damage on all kinds of vehicles. This is important because these drones can be used to accomplish tasks that are otherwise extremely hard for human operators to do.
Hello, my name is Tyler Garrett. I'm a PhD student at the University of Pittsburgh studying electrical and computer engineering. So my part of the project is to deal with the software stack, which involves NASA's core flight software and Icarus infrastructure. My primary objectives have been to develop new applications and integrate it into the existing system. In safety critical situations, it's important that we are able to analyze all angles of the object. Therefore, it is important that these drones are able to coordinate in a very efficient manner. My dissertation research involves fault tolerance and ensuring errors do not cascade into critical problems, so this project aligns very nicely with that.
My name's Alex Glandon. I'm an electrical and computer engineering student at Old Dominion University. So the computer vision work we're doing here involves taking video feed from a drone flying around a mock spaceship. And first we need to segment where in the image the spaceship is. And then second, we detect the damage in the cylinder or the mock spaceship, which is shown behind me. So the idea for this project is if they're doing in-space assembly and when they're putting together modules, if something gets damaged, then if they can fly drones in space autonomously around the modules, so they work together to find the damage.